In this tutorial, I'll show you how to link local files or folders in Notion. By the end, you'll know the easiest way to add quick links to files and folders so you can open them directly from your workspace. Open the Notion page or database where you want to add the file or folder link. If you're using a database, you can add a files and media property for attachments or a URL property if you're linking to a cloud location. To attach a local file, type File on a blank line and select Upload or drag and drop the file directly onto the page. Choose the file from your computer and Notion will upload it so you can open or download it later. If you want to reference an entire folder, keep in mind that Notion can't link directly to local folders on your computer in a way that works across devices. Instead, upload the folder to a cloud storage service such as Google Drive, OneDrive, or Dropbox. Copy the share link and paste it into your Notion page or URL property. You can also highlight text, press Ctrl+K on Windows or Command+K on Mac, and paste the cloud folder link to create a clean, clickable hyperlink. Using cloud storage is the most reliable option because your links will continue to work across different devices and can be shared with collaborators depending on your sharing permissions. That's how to link local files or folders in Notion. Thanks for watching.